Today we're going to be going over some awesome news for Shiba Inu Coin. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coins you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you're interested in getting some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit just $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, which you can then sell and then invest into Shiba Inu Coin, which is now supported on Public. Use that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. Okay, and here we are on public.com. We can see that we're down about 3% on the day, but we're going to be going over technical analysis at the end of this video, as well as going over the news for today, and a piece of news that just came out as well. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of this video. All right, but you guys know what the first thing we have to do is we have to check that social activity. So here we are on StockTwits. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is currently the third most active cryptocurrency on StockTwits. Reminder, not sponsored by StockTwits. We only use this website to check the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin, as well as other coins such as crypto, which is the #1 trending crypto. And we're also the #7 trending crypto or stock on StockTwits. Obviously, stocks tend to trend more on the weekdays, which today is a Monday, so that kind of makes sense. But you can see that Shiba Inu Coin is the #7th most active on here, which is not too bad. Okay, but here we are on Twitter to check out the news for today, and that is going to be coming from Del Crypto, who he actually just retweeted someone, so it's not like, you know, this is his actual video, but he basically said #Shibaswap debit card machines ? Worldwide utility is around the corner, time to load more Shib. We're going to talk about this in a second, but first let's go over the video in question. So I'm not going to bore you and play the whole video back, but basically if we go frame by frame here, you can see that it says Shibaswap. It's obviously a machine in public, and it's you basically can click on debit card. You can also click on swap, and I don't know what that other thing says here, and it says connect to a wallet, so you can connect to your MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or some other wallet that I've never seen before. Basically, you can scan a QR code with your MetaMask obviously phone app. You can then enter your name to print your name on your Shibaswap debit card. This guy says Shitoshi Kusama. Obviously, you don't have to put your real name. And then it says, congratulations, your card is being issued. It then, takes a long time because obviously it's got to confirm everything and everything of that nature. But then you can see here that you can take your card, and now this guy has a Shibaswap card. It says it's Visa. Who knows if this is actually real, obviously, because, you could definitely run into some, a little bit of problems with putting someone else's name on a card and having it be associated with Visa. But if this is true, we could be getting Visa cards very soon, where you can actually pay with your Shib, with your Shib soon. So that's a ton more utility that could be coming out in the very, very near future. So what does this mean for Shiba Inu? Basically, when you are thinking about a cryptocurrency, you have to be thinking years down the line, how is this going to be used? And obviously, a lot of people say, hey, it needs to be used as a form of currency. I need to be able to go to my local Walmart, my local Target, and be able to use my Shib to buy something. And this is one way, if it's associated with Visa, that we could do that. Now, this seems like it's probably only in one place and it's not going to be, worldwide or whatever yet, but could this possibly be something that goes worldwide very soon? Now, this is something that we need to think about, and even if it's, even if somehow it's not real, this is a good idea that the Shib team needs to look into in order to, get this utility moving. Obviously, we have Shibarium coming up, which is going to make, gas fees lower, give more rewards to holders. We have a lot of great things in the future with the Shiboshi's NFT game, but we really do need to be thinking, how can this be used as a currency that people can use in everyday life? And this is the first step in getting there. So this is some critical news. that we are going over today, and I'm really glad this popped up on my Twitter feed this morning with Del Crypto. Obviously, Del Crypto really loves his Shib. He has coined the phrase 1 cent Shib, dream, or whatever his phrase is. And yeah, he obviously gives some really cool stuff on Shiba Inu Coin. So if you guys want to follow him, you can do that on Twitter. But overall, this is some very, very good news for the overall utility of Shiba Inu Coin, even if it's not even real. This is still a great thing that might bring some light to, hey, we need to get this utility as a cryptocurrency or a currency in general moving to the Shib team. So this is amazing. But yeah, now here we are on coinmarketcap.com. We can see that the crypto market ain't doing too hot today, down about 4% over the last day. I did buy some Ethereum and crypto.com as well as Shib on the dips yesterday, but now it's starting to dip a bit more. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is the 12th largest crypto by market cap, right behind Dogecoin and AVAX. Obviously, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu Coin hopefully going to make that flip soon, but let's take a look at Shiba Inu Coin. We can see here the volume is actually giving a bit of an uptick. Now, right now it is a sell volume, but normally when we do hit a support, we do get a bump in volume and we usually recover. So I'm pretty sure that we will be recovering today. I'm going to be doing, in just a few minutes after this video, I'm going to be doing a massive price prediction video. So if you guys want to tune into that, you know, make sure you guys tune into that. But this is a pattern I see all the time, is the volume always picks back up right when it hits support, and it looks like we're hitting support right now. But yeah, the volume hasn't been good over the past couple of days, being 1.6 billion yesterday, but now it's starting to pick up. Even if it's sell volume, I'm assuming that we will or it will turn into buying volume very, very soon. All right, now here we are on the technical analysis on TradingView. So we are below the 50-day SMA line, which obviously we don't go over that very much because I don't have it enabled on my technical charts back home on my computer, but I do on this, so we can talk about that. Basically, it just shows whether it's if it's higher, then it's probably going to come back down. If it's lower than this SMA line, then it's probably going to come back up. But we can see the RSI sitting at about 40, which is closer to oversold than overbought. We're still trending down on the MACD, but that is fine for now. It looks like we are finally getting our first green candle, very near the support at the 43 level, which I like to see. This is normally when I would enter a position once we get a few green candles here, if you guys didn't know how I kind of enter positions. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for Shiba Inu Coin in this video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Make sure you guys comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. We know it's extremely strong, but how strong is it? Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Remember, when you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, which you can then sell and then invest into Shiba Inu Coin. I personally got $50 once, $42 another time. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure that you guys use that first link in the description. Can't stress that enough. That's going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.